In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Parabolic SAR indicator in expert option. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your chart, you want to go to the very bottom and just above the sell button here, you'll be able to see this icon, which when you hover over it says indicators. So click on the indicators here, and then you can see there's a bunch of different indicators. You want to go to the new tab, and here you will see the Parabolic SAR. So you want to click on it over here, and in case you were wondering what this actually does, well, the Parabolic SAR is an indicator which what it does is it helps you identify trend direction and the potential reversal points, okay? So you can go ahead and set the acceleration over here as well as the max acceleration and of course the color you want to use on a chart, and whenever you set this according to your own preferences, you could go ahead and click on the confirm button. And as you can now see here, this is now the Parabolic SAR, okay? So basically, that's pretty much how you can use it, and you can see here you can just scroll to the left to the right, and then you'll be able to see it on your chart. If you would like to customize it and do anything with it, you could go ahead and click on down here again, go to edit up top inside indicators, and then you can just edit it in here like that, edit whatever you wanna, press confirm, and you're good to go. Or to remove it, you can simply click here, click on this X button, and your indicator is gonna be gone. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.